Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best extreme weather dog door is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked investments a pet owner can make, especially for those living in regions with harsh climates or unpredictable weather patterns. This isn't just about convenience, it's about ensuring your furry friends' comfort, safety, and well-being by providing a reliable and secure way for them to access the outdoors, no matter the conditions outside, preventing them from getting too hot or too cold. Number 5. PetSafe Original Replacement Flap, Large Vinyl. This replacement flap is designed to fit a wide variety of PetSafe doors, including wall entry, sliding glass, and aluminum models. It's a large size, measuring 16.78 inches high by 10.18 inches wide. Crafted from durable, non-toxic materials, this flap is weather-resistant and easy to clean. Its magnetic closure effectively seals your pet's access, keeping your home comfortable by blocking drafts. Restore your pet door in no time with this fast DIY replacement. Installation requires only a screwdriver, making it a simple and efficient solution. For over 25 years, PetSafe has been dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. We are committed to enhancing the lives of pets and strengthening the bond they share with their families. Our solutions are recommended by veterinarians and trainers, reflecting our commitment to your pet's well-being. We offer exceptional customer support to ensure joy for your pets. What we like. This flap offers a magnetic closure to seal out drafts. It's made with non-toxic materials for your pet's safety. If you are looking for a simple, safe, and effective replacement flap for your existing PetSafe door, this is a great choice. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well-made, with a thick, durable plastic that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The magnetic closure system is effective in keeping out drafts and preventing unwanted pests from entering. Installation was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 4. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, White. Tired of complicated pet door installations? This model is designed for renters, easily fitting into your sliding glass door track without any permanent alterations. Keep your home secure and energy efficient. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a lock kit for safe and convenient pet access year-round. Designed with larger pets in mind, the generous flap opening accommodates dogs up to 100 pounds, ensuring comfortable passage for your furry friends. With over 25 years of experience, PetSafe offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to enhancing pet lives and strengthening the bond you share. Perfect for those living in apartments or condos. You can easily install it without cutting and take it with you when you move, making it a flexible choice. This door offers adjustable height options, ranging from 91.716 to 96, ensuring a snug fit for your specific sliding glass door. What we like. This sliding glass door is perfect for renters as it requires no cutting or permanent alterations. It's weatherproof and secure, making it ideal for any season. If you live in an apartment or rental and want a convenient, energy-efficient pet door without damaging your property, you should consider this. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well-made, with a thick, durable flap that seals tightly against the elements. Installation was straightforward, and the adjustable frame fits most door sizes. My dogs took to it immediately, and it has held up perfectly through wind, rain, and snow. Number 3. PetSafe Easy Install Plastic Pet Door for Extra Large Dogs. Installing this pet door is a breeze, fitting seamlessly into wood, PVC, metal, or panel doors. You'll have it set up in no time, whether it's for an interior or exterior entryway. Crafted from rust-free, paintable plastic, this door is built to last. Its weather-resistant flap ensures long-lasting performance and can be personalized to complement your home's aesthetic. Give your pet the freedom to come and go as they please, with the option to secure it using the included slide panel. The extra-large flap is designed for pets up to 220 pounds. This pet door features an extra-large flap, measuring 13.34 x 23.34 h. It's perfectly suited for your extra-large furry friends weighing up to 220 pounds. With over 25 years of experience, PetSafe is dedicated to creating innovative and trusted products. We aim to enhance your pet's life and strengthen the bond you share. What we like. This plastic door features an extra-large flap designed for very big dogs. The frame is rust-free and can be painted to match your home. If you have an extra-large breed and need a durable, customizable door that can be installed in various door types, this is the one for you. What people say. The door is easy to install and the dogs learn to use it quickly. It is very durable and has held up well to daily use by 2 large dogs. The flap seals tightly, keeping out drafts and rain. Number 2. PetSafe Wall Entry Pet Door, Large. Introducing the PetSafe Wall Entry Pet Door, the perfect solution for homes where traditional door-mounted pet doors won't work. It installs easily into interior or exterior walls. This pet door is built to last with a rust-free, telescoping frame that can be painted to match your home. Its insulated flap is also easy to clean and designed for all-weather performance. You can control when your pet has access with the included closing panel, giving you peace of mind. The large flap is suitable for pets up to 100 pounds. PetSafe is dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets. With U.S. roots and a worldwide presence, they offer vet and trainer-recommended solutions. Since 1998, PetSafe has been committed to developing safe and innovative products. They aim to enhance pet lives and strengthen the bond between pets and their families. What we like. This door is designed for installation directly into walls, perfect for homes where door mounting isn't feasible. It has a telescoping frame for easy fitting and offers all-weather performance. If you're looking for a permanent pet access solution built into your home's structure, this is an excellent option. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well-made. It keeps out the elements effectively, even in strong winds and heavy rain. The flap seals tightly, preventing drafts and maintaining indoor temperature. Number 1. PetSafe Heavy-Duty Pet Screen Door. Give your pets the freedom they deserve. They can now go in and out on their own terms, whenever they need to. It's perfect for quick potty breaks or just enjoying some playtime. This door is designed for durability. Its strong mesh is resistant to tears and punctures, ensuring it holds up to your pet's adventures. The high-impact plastic frame adds to its long-lasting use. Enjoy peace of mind with our secure design. It features sliding wind locks that prevent unwanted flapping but allow your pet easy passage. Smaller locks are also available to restrict entry when needed. Installing this door is a breeze. It snaps directly into your existing screen door, window, or porch screen. You'll have it set up quickly and it will blend seamlessly with your current screens. This versatile door works with most metal or vinyl-coated fiber screens. It's also compatible with storm doors, offering a flexible solution for your home. Designed for pets up to 100 pounds, this large door provides ample space. Ensure a comfortable fit by measuring your pet before installation. It's ideal for both dogs and cats. Have questions? Our US-based customer care team is ready to assist you. Reach out via phone, email, or chat for expert help with your pet product. What we like. This screen door features a durable, puncture-resistant mesh flap, ideal for active pets. It's designed to work with existing screen doors, windows, or porch screens. If you want to give your pets more freedom for potty breaks or playtime without constant supervision, and you have a screen door, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well-made, and it has held up well to my dog's constant use. The insulation is excellent, keeping out the cold and the heat effectively. Installation was straightforward, and the door fits perfectly in my existing door frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.